The Fujifilm X-Pro4 is one of the most awaited cameras in the photography world, especially for fans of Fujifilm's unique design and philosophy. It carries with it not just the hopes for a modern update, but also the legacy of a series that helped establish Fujifilm as a serious contender in the digital camera space. The original X-Pro1, released in 2012, was the foundation of Fujifilm's now iconic X series. It was the first camera to use the X-Trans sensor and the first interchangeable lens model from the brand. At the time, Fujifilm's position in the digital camera market was uncertain. The success or failure of the X-Pro1 would determine the company's future in this space. Thankfully, the X-Pro1 was a hit, and it set the tone for what the X series would become. Cameras that blend retro aesthetics with innovative technology. Without that success, we might not have had the popular X or GFX camera systems that many professionals and enthusiasts use today. The X-Pro series has followed a relatively predictable release cycle. The X-Pro1 came in early 2012, followed by the X-Pro2 in 2016, and then the X-Pro3 arrived in late 2019. Following that pattern, the next model, expected to be called the X-Pro4, should have appeared sometime in late 2023 or early 2024. However, that time came and went with no official announcement. Some even speculate that Fujifilm might skip the number 4 due to cultural reasons in Japan, where the number is considered unlucky. If so, the next model could be called the X-Pro5 and possibly launch in 2025. Still, fans remain hopeful that a new model, whether it's called the X-Pro4 or X-Pro5, is indeed on the way. Despite the delays, rumors around the Fujifilm X-Pro4 continue to build excitement. If the reported specs are accurate, this could be the most significant leap in the series yet. One of the most talked about upgrades is the inclusion of the 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, the same advanced sensor found in the X-T5 and X-H2. This would bring a huge jump in image resolution and detail compared to the 26 megapixel sensor in the X-Pro3. Alongside that, it is expected to include the latest X-Processor 5, promising faster performance and improved image quality, especially in low-light situations. Another major rumored feature is in-body image stabilization, IBIS. This would be a first for the X-Pro series, allowing photographers to shoot handheld at slower shutter speeds without losing sharpness. For street and documentary photographers, this could be a game changer. The hybrid viewfinder is also said to be getting a major upgrade, with a 5.76 million OLED electronic viewfinder offering clearer, sharper visuals and a better optical viewfinder, with more accurate frame lines and overlays for composition. This dual system has always been a defining feature of the X-Pro line, giving photographers a unique and versatile shooting experience. The rear LCD is also expected to go back to a more traditional design. While the X-Pro3 featured a hidden LCD that sparked mixed reactions, the X-Pro4 might return to a fixed or tilting screen that is always visible. This could make the camera more user-friendly for many shooters who prefer quick access to the screen for settings or image review. Video capabilities are also rumored to improve, with 6.2K recording at 30 frames per second, potentially making its way into the X-Pro4 along with upgraded autofocus performance, similar to what we see in the X-T5. Additional features that may be included are dual UHS-2, SD card slots for fast and reliable storage, USB-C charging with in-camera power delivery, support for Wi-Fi 6 for faster wireless connectivity, and the use of Fujifilm's larger NPW235 battery, which would offer better battery life. The body is expected to maintain the sleek and retro-inspired design that the X-Pro series is loved for, possibly introducing new control elements such as a shutter button, integrated into the exposure compensation dial. The delay in release is believed to be strategic. Fujifilm has reportedly acknowledged the high demand for a successor to the X-Pro3, and seems to be working on a camera that is more than just an incremental update.